Given that x is a real number, and this equation square root of x squared plus 11x plus 20 minus square root of x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 3, then of course our goal is to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the solution in 3, 2, 1. Given this equation, and of course x here is a real number, then the goal is to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now to answer this question, what we're going to do is to let this piece or this term be equal to a and the other term be equal to b. Therefore, our original equation becomes a minus b equals 3. Now don't forget, the whole expression is a, so we can say that a squared equals the term inside the radical sign are simply equal to x squared plus 11x plus 20. On the other hand, b squared equals x squared plus 5x minus 1. Now take note, when we subtract these two equations, we eliminate x squared. So if we subtract these two equations, we get 6x plus 21. Now, given these two equations, our goal now is to find first the value of a and b, then solve for the value of x. Alright. Now, what we're going to do here is to factor out first a squared minus b squared, because if we factor this out, we have a minus b multiplied by a plus b, difference of two squares, equals 6x plus 21. Now, we know the value of this expression a minus b. This is given on the first equation, a minus b equals 3. So we can replace this expression with 3. And now, divide all of this term by 3. So we get a plus b equals 2x plus 7. Now, we have the third equation involving a and b. And now, to finally solve for the value of a or b, let's use the first and the third equation. And notice, when we add these two equations, we eliminate or we cancel out this b, because negative b plus b, this is just 0. So when we add this to equation, we have 2a equals 2x plus 10. And again, divide all of this term by 2, we have a equals x plus 5. So we know, given this three equation, a equals x plus 5. But we don't care to the value of a, we care to the value of x. So let's get this result, and what we're going to do is to square on both sides. Now, if we square x plus 5, we get something like x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now, let's set aside this result, because a while ago, we have a value for a squared, because a equals square root of x squared plus 11x plus 20. So a squared is also equal to x squared plus 11x plus 20. They are both equal to x squared, means they are the same thing. Therefore, we can equate x squared plus 11x plus 20 to x squared plus 10x plus 25. Now, if we combine like terms, if we subtract x squared on both sides, x squared cancel out. If we subtract 10x on both sides, we have 11x minus 10x is x. If we subtract 20 on both sides, 25 minus 20 is 5. And there you have it. The only value of x that satisfies this equation simply equal to 5. And of course, here's the checking. And as you can see, we have 3 equals 3. The left-hand side and the right-hand side balance. Therefore, the only real solution that satisfies this equation, square root of x squared plus 11x plus 20 minus square root of x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 3, simply equal to 5. And as always, we are done.